What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a shopping video. So right now I'm going to get out of the car and there we go. Make sure I don't drop the phone. Okay. So today we're going to be going to Unique, and if you know what the store Unique is, oh my god, most people don't know what the store Unique is, and I'll show you. And that's the store Unique. And also make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for the plus 13 subscribers. And thank you so much. And please don't cringe on me because I'm only 8. And I love making videos for you guys. Spending all my time on you guys making videos. And so I have this like mini fridge, and like it has no food, so I'm going to Unique to like get food, guys. Okay, and that's why we're going to Unique. We're gonna be going to the toy aisle to see if they have the food. Okay. So. Okay, the entrance is right there. I'm pretty scared to go in. I have to wait for my parents, my grandma and my mom, because I don't like going by myself. I'm scared to get kidnapped. Since I have my phone with me, I can just call 911. Look left, look to the left, look to the right. Any cars? No. And there actually is no cars coming. Ignore that. There actually is no car coming. I totally didn't just try to get run over. Totally. Okay. So, I'm in the store right now. People are playing the piano. I know, it's pretty annoying, but they're trying. Okay. So, I gotta wait for my grandma. Passing by this. Hola. Okay. We're in. We've entered. My mission is complete. No, let's go to the toy aisle. That's our mission today. Our mission is to find fake food. Mini fake food, like mini brands, fit inside my mini fridge, because that's what my mom took me here for, because we got the fridge yesterday and there's actually no food in it, so we actually need to like go to every store in the world, not in the world, like every store we can find that we know, and look everywhere in the toy aisle to see if they have it, because I bought the fridge yesterday and I found it. Guess where I found it? I found it right here on that sofa. And my mom let me get it. It's only $12. So we have to find food for the fridge, because it's pretty foodless. What's a fridge without food? Okay, I'm looking at the options. Excuse me?
We just got rid of one of those.
Don't mind that. A kid just begging for toys. So don't mind that. Because I'm just looking to see if there's food for my mini fridge, for my Mary doll. Okay, there's no food there, only chalk. So, wow, let's go. Second round. Let's see if they have it. Because if there's a fridge, there's of course food. So I was saying, there's a fridge in the store, and there's also food. I found an Elsa doll. Okay. I'll go look up and down for the food. I need that food. My parents must be calling me right now. Jelly. What? I'm confused. Oh, that's his name probably. Oh, Rubik's Cube. What's the beeping noise? No, it's Scooter. I'm not gonna write it because I have the phone in my hand. Okay. Water-filled teether. I don't need a teether. I already have a teether at home.
See who I am.
I have to take a second.
See who I am.
Mom, he's asking something.
You want to see who I am? Look, you want to see who I am? Look at my screen. Look at my eyes.
Bro, what in the world is this? And last time I found this like a really inappropriate toy of a man in the bathroom. And it was actually really, really, really inappropriate. So I took it down. Crayons. Okay. There's no food. Many food, so it looks like we have to look on Amazon. But what I found like a TY toy. I don't know what TY. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. So cute. Another TY toy. Right there. Okay, I'm looking, I'm searching. I'm gonna go look for my mom. Mom! Mom! Mommy! I have to look for my mom because I just ran from her. She's probably in the shoes. She's probably in the shoes. There's these random boys in the middle of the floor playing with toys. That's weird. Where's my mom? Mom!
Hey!